Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, if you're new to my channel, I make easy, healthy, and delicious meals in no time at all. Alright guys, today we're going to be making OMG, the most delicious fig flatbread you've ever had. And the best thing, it takes no time at all. Don't tell nobody. So, you guys stop what you're doing and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Cooking with Hugs so you can see when new videos are going to drop on Instagram. Are you guys ready to cook? Yes, you are. Let's go. Bye. So, while you turn your pan on, you add a little cooking spray to it. You're just gonna thinly slice your onions. Now, this fig flatbread is my favorite go-to snack in the summer, since figs are only ripe really in the summertime unless you get like a preservative or some sort of frozen fig, which I don't recommend. So we're gonna continue slicing this and add it to the pan. All right, so right now we're just gonna add in the onion mixture and let it caramelize, guys. You wanna make sure your heat is not that high, so I'm just gonna actually lower it right now, and we're gonna let those work beautifully. Okay guys, while the onions are working, you're just going to thinly slice your figs. At this time, I'm just going to simply pour in a little bit of olive oil just to get a nice sauce base to put at the bottom of your delicious, guys, if you smell what I'm smelling right now, oh my God. It smells so good with the basil and the garlic and onion. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I cut 3 figs and 3 figs, which is 6. You're actually going to add the 3 figs early on to cook with the flatbread, and then you're gonna top it with the fresh figs. It just gives it an extra bite and juice. Now, I used the bottom of a baking pan. I lined it with foil, sprayed it down, and now I'm adding a flatbread. And I'm actually using Naan today, which I know, who would have thought? You could use your own flatbread. You can make pizza dough. I've done it with all 3. This is just the fastest way when I'm running around in the gym and I just don't feel like making fresh pizza dough. So, you're gonna scoop on your delicious, guys, I'm telling you right now, it smells amazing in here. So you're going to pour your onion mixture with that olive oil, that basil, that garlic, the bottom of the pizza. And then you're gonna put on your sliced figs, guys. Don't be cheap with these bad boys. They are so good cooked. And listen, just don't even worry. It will all bake amazingly. Just throw them on. And then we're going to sprinkle, you heard it, feta. Now, you could easily put goat cheese. I just haven't been feeling goat cheese lately. I don't know. I would only recommend using goat cheese or even a nice mousse on it. But I wouldn't recommend anything else. I'm going to be using fat-free feta, which is, look at it, I mean, guys, you know this is going to taste good. I don't even need to tell you. So we're going to put it in the oven on 450 for about 10 to 15 minutes until the flatbread gets crunchy, the cheese gets deliciously oozy, and the figs are nice and caramelized, guys. BRB! This just came out of the oven. It smells phenomenal. So you're going to want to sprinkle on a little bit of that fresh arugula, right? Beautiful. And then you're gonna sprinkle on a little bit of that fresh fig on top. And to finish it all off, a little bit of that balsamic reduction. Tell me that is not amazing looking, guys. We're gonna cut it in little pieces with our nice handy dandy pizza cutter. It just makes it easier. I think I'm gonna go this way. Oh, baby. Jesus. God, that is so delish. And then we're gonna go this way. Try not to mess up the beauty of it. Beautiful, guys. Wow. Hi, guys. I'm all done. So, for those of you who are wondering, my shirt says I need coffee. I wear this to work all the time because I need to remind my students I need coffee. So, today we made a delicious fig pizza. This is probably the most prettiest meal I've ever made. It just looks like something you would see in like a restaurant. Woo! Oh my God, my mouth is watering. I love me a fig flatbread. I'm like obsessed with it. And I'm telling you guys, the basil, oh, let's stop talking. Let's start eating. Oh, I'm going with this one. Hey, Daddy. Woo! All right. Wow. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm starving, because I am. This is so good. First of all, the fact that the naan, I use naan, not flatbread. You could use flatbread. The fact that the naan got so crunchy, the basil, yo, this is a party in my mouth. The basil, the arugula, the balsamic, you know where it hits. That feta, and of course that fig. This is a match made in heaven. One more bite. Wow. Yo, all I'm saying is, hide your kids, hide your wives. This is it. Wow. Guys, please make this recipe, like this video, comment on this video, and most of all, guys, you better subscribe to my channel so we can keep on making delicious recipes, and also go to my IG channel, which is Cooking with Hugs, so you can see when I'm gonna post new videos. I have 3 coming up this week, guys. I love you so much, and as always, thank you so much for cooking with me. You ready for 4 hugs? 4 hugs? Yes, you are. 1, 2, 3, and the last one is so tight for you guys because I love you. And that's 4. Bye, guys.